Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to lecture series of New Secondary Mathematics 1 or D1. Today we will do how to use the calculator to finding the square, square root, cube or cube root. So I have selected the practice now 8 at page number 011 to solve. Dear students, you can also visit the playlist of the chapter number 1 of D1 on my channel. And also you have to visit the Facebook page for the notes, solutions, worksheets and the tests. So without wasting time, let's start with. Dear students, in this question, you have to use a calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer to 4 decimal places. First, you have to understand the 4 decimal places. I also explain it in one of my video tutorial जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. Suppose you have the decimal number. 4 decimal places means that after the decimal you have to just consider the 4 digits like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with. Okay. In this question, dear students, the first is 3 square. So you can in every calculator there is like slight difference of like the buttons. Otherwise it's same, like you can see the square button on your calculator, like this is your square button here. So we have to find the square of 3, so we can write 3 square as you can see here. So you will get 9. So I will write here in place of this 3 square 9. Then there is the multiplication, so I will put this multiplication sign, square root of 20. Now on your calculator you can see this one sign, square root. On my calculator it's here, so I am using this and I have to find the square root of 20. So I can write here, I can type 20 and the square root is okay. Now student, it's giving the square root in this form, so I can press this S into D button. Now you can see that like you got the decimal. So 4.4721. I'm just considering the 4 digits after the decimal. Now students, you have 5 cube. So on your calculator you have this cube button. So just find out on your calculator the cube button. In some of the calculator cube button is here, and on my calculator it's like you can see it's here. So I can get this by the shift button. So I can press shift and then this. Now you can see we have to find the cube of 5, so we can, it's 125. Now students, we have to find the cube root of this. Now you can find the cube root here, you can see here, okay, and you can identify the cube root sign. It's always like with the square root, or it can be with the cube. So we can use that shift and then this, and we have to find 2013th cube root of 2013, and it's giving me 12.6264, like 4 digit I have taken. Now dear students, I will just simplify it. How can I simplify? Like I will multiply this 9 into this, so 9 multiply 4.4721, I will get 40.2489. Then I will 125, I will subtract this, minus 12.6264, and I will get this one. Now I will divide these both. So 40.2489 divided by 112.3736. Now I got 0.3581. I will just pick 4 digit because my question requirement is that leaving your answer up to 4 decimal places. So hopefully student you got this practice now 8 at page number 11. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. इसके अलावा आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन रिक्वायर्ड है तो वो भी आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी बता सकते हैं और फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू भी अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो.